Hello everyone and welcome to another Maths tutorial video. Now I'll be discussing SPM Clone 2004 Form 5 Chapter 8 Probability Distributions short question. Okay, before that, please like this video to show your support and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming mathematics tutorial videos in the future. Okay, let me read the question now. X is a random variable of a normal distribution with a mean of 4.8 and a variance of 1.44. So the question asks to find the z-score if x equals to 4.2 and the probability 4.8 less than x less than 5.2. Okay, so this is the overall question. So I hope that you will attempt this question in the future. If you could manage to solve this question, a big thumbs up to you guys. But if you can't solve this question, no worries. I'm going to show you the step-by-step working and the solutions now. So without further delay, let us start to solve this question. Okay, let us continue to solve the question part A. Okay, the question part A, they ask us to find the z-score if x equals to 4.2, guys. Okay, so from here we need to know the formula to find the z-score. Okay, the formula to find the z-score is given by z is equals to x minus mu and you divide with sigma. Okay, let me underline this and box the formula. Okay, let me explain each parameter one by one. Okay, this x represent the value of a normal random variable. Okay, this mu represent the mean of a normal distribution. Okay, and this sigma symbol here represent the standard deviation of a normal distribution. Okay, so from here let us proceed to find the z-score. Okay, so z is equals to x is given by the question is 4.2. Okay, minus with the mean. Okay, mean 4.8. Okay, here you have to be careful, guys. Okay, the formula states that the sigma is standard deviation, but the question they gave the variance. Okay, so from here what you need to do is you need to square root the 1.44. okay, when you square root the value of 1.44, you should get your standard deviation is equals to 1.2. Okay, so this is your standard deviation. Okay, by the way, I just write this in short form, guys. Okay, so what you do, you divide with 1.2. okay, not 1.44, guys. Okay, please take the note. Okay, so you calculate this, you should get your z value is equals to negative 0.5. Okay, so this is the answer for the question part A. Okay, let me underline the solution. Okay, so from here let us continue to the question part B now. Okay, the first step what you need to do is you need to find the z value for the 4.8 and 5.2 respectively. Okay, let us start to find for 4.8. Okay, the first z value 4.8 you minus with 4.8. okay, this 4.8 is come from the mean and then you divide with 1.2, which is the standard deviation. Okay, let me underline this. Okay, so from here your numerator will be 0. okay, so 0 divided by 1.2, so from here your z1 will be equals to 0. okay, so this is your first z value. Okay, let us proceed to find the second z value, which is based from the 5.2 value of the x. Okay, so from here z2 will be equals to 5.2 you minus with 4.8 and you divide with 1.2. okay, so you calculate this. Okay, let me underline the fraction. Okay, so you calculate this, you should get your z2 approximately 0.333. okay, up to 3 decimal place. Okay, why 3 decimal place? Because you're going to use this value to find in the z table, guys. Okay, we have already get the z value based on the x value given by the question. Okay, the next step what we're going to do is we're going to use this respective z value to sketch the bell curve. Okay, Let me sketch the bell curve now. Okay, so this is the region required from the question, guys. Okay, so that's why I shaded this region. So from here we're going to find the probability. Okay, let me erase this extra line. Okay, so let us continue with our working. So from here, probability 0 less than z less than 0.333. Okay, so you are required to find the area under the graph, which is the probability of the shaded region. So from here, how to find this probability? Okay, I'm going to show you. 1, you minus with the probability of z less than 0 minus with the probability z more than 0.333. Okay, and then this true probability, you change it into the upper trail value. 1 minus q 0 minus with q 0.333. Okay, so once you convert this into the upper trail value, then only you can able to read from the z table. Okay, so from here 1 minus with the q0. Okay, this 0 when you find from the z table, you should get 0.5. Okay, this 0.333, okay, you find in the z table, you should get 0.3696. Okay, you calculate them, you should get your answer 0.1304. Okay, this is your final answer. Okay, let me underline this. Okay, so that is all for the step-by-step working and solution for this question. I hope you understand the full working that I've shown to you. If you like this video, please give your thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more upcoming mathematics tutorial videos in the future. And also not to forget to share this video. Thank you everyone for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.